Have you ever found yourself yearning for something more in life, desperately seeking a way to manifest your deepest desires? Yet, it seems like no matter how hard you try, success remains elusive. You ask yourself, what am I missing? What secret do others know that I don't? Well, my friends, today I am here to reveal a powerful technique that can change the game of manifestation forever. Prepare to be astonished as we delve into the mind-bending wisdom of the legendary Joseph Murphy. And what if I told you that while you sit back and do nothing, your manifestations can effortlessly come to fruition? Yes, you heard me correctly. Joseph Murphy unlocks the secret to fulfilling your desires without lifting a finger. But here's the twist. Many people unknowingly overlook the signs that are intricately woven into the fabric of their lives. These signs, my friends, hold the keys to unlocking the pathway to your deepest desires. It's time to open your eyes, be vigilant, and align your manifestation process accordingly. In this captivating video, we will take you on a journey into the realm of manifestation, where hidden symbols and synchronicities await your discovery. Brace yourself as we unravel the secrets to recognizing and interpreting the signs that guide you towards achieving your goals. And speaking of unlocking, we'll uncover the power of your subconscious mind. Prepare to tap into the limitless well of possibilities that reside within you. Your subconscious mind holds the key to manifesting your deepest desires and transforming your reality. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our mind-blowing content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's begin. The fishing boat technique is a visualization technique popularized by Joseph Murphy, a renowned author and expert in the field of metaphysics and mind power. This technique utilizes the power of the subconscious mind to manifest desires. The concept behind the fishing boat technique is to imagine yourself on a boat in the middle of a calm sea or a beautiful river. Picture yourself holding a fishing rod with the bait representing your desired outcome. As you cast the line into the water, visualize your desire as a fish that is attracted to the bait. According to Joseph Murphy, the key to making this technique effective is to engage as many senses as possible. See the vibrant colors of the fish, feel the excitement of the catch, hear the sound of the water, and immerse yourself fully in the experience. As you reel in the fish, imagine the fulfillment of your desire becoming a reality. Feel the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction of manifesting what you truly want. Keep repeating this visualization regularly, allowing it to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. Let's discuss the fishing boat technique step by step to make you understand thoroughly. Step 1. Setting the scene. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a place that harmonizes with your desires. Allow the details to come to life in your mind's eye. Visualize a beautiful setting that aligns perfectly with what you want to manifest. Picture yourself surrounded by the elements that resonate with your desires. Let your imagination run wild as you create a mental picture that encapsulates your dreams. Feel the energy, the ambiance, and the serenity within this scene. Step 2. Now that your scene is set, it's time to identify the specific desire you want to manifest. What is the goal or aspiration that is burning within your heart? Take a moment to bring it into crystal clear focus. Visualize yourself experiencing and achieving this desire with unwavering clarity. See yourself in the moments of triumph, fully immersed in the experience of your manifested desire. Feel the intense satisfaction and joy that comes with accomplishing your goals. Step 3. As you continue to visualize your desired outcome, it's essential to engage all of your senses. See the vibrant colors, the intricate shapes, and the textures associated with what you wish to manifest. Close your eyes and let the sights, sounds, tastes, smells, and textures come alive within your mind. Immerse yourself in the full sensory experience of what it would be like to have your desire manifested. Step 4. Finally, step into the emotional realm. Feel the emotions that naturally arise when you have successfully achieved your desire. Allow yourself to experience the overwhelming joy, excitement, or deep satisfaction that comes from realizing your dreams. Let these emotions permeate your being. See yourself celebrating, basking in the happiness and fulfillment that come with achieving your goals. As you hold on to these positive emotions, know that you are aligning yourself with the energy of manifestation. Friends, in this segment, we will explore the essential elements of cultivating faith and enthusiasm, empowering you to bring your dreams to life. The first step on this magnificent path is to nurture unwavering faith and trust in the process of manifestation. Believe wholeheartedly that the universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances and opportunities to bring your vision into reality. Remind yourself daily of your potential to create the life you desire. Embrace the powerful notion that the universe supports you, guiding you towards the manifestation of your dreams. Manifestation requires more than just wishful thinking. It calls for action, both in the physical and mental realms. Once you've identified your desires, take inspired steps towards bringing them to fruition. Whether it's researching, making plans, or taking those first courageous steps, let your actions align with your vision. Trust that each action you take brings you closer to manifesting your desires. The power of alignment is exceptional. To manifest your vision, synchronize your thoughts, emotions, and physical actions with your desired outcome. Cultivate thoughts that support your vision, cultivate positive emotions that mirror your desired reality, and engage in physical actions that are in harmony with your aspirations. Remember, alignment creates a powerful force field that attracts the manifestation you seek. As you witness your visions inching closer to becoming a reality, allow yourself to feel a surge of excitement and anticipation. Embrace that electrifying energy that arises when you are on the brink of manifesting your desires. These moments of excitement serve as reminders that your dreams are materializing. Let this enthusiasm fuel your determination, motivating you to keep moving forward. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for manifestation. Take a moment each day to acknowledge and appreciate the progress you have made towards your vision. Express gratitude for the steps taken, the lessons learned, and the growth experienced on this journey. As you embrace gratitude, you open up space for more abundance and manifestation in your life. Enthusiasm is the fuel that propels your manifestation journey forward. It amplifies your beliefs and motivation, drawing your desires closer with every enthusiastic thought and action. Allow enthusiasm to flow through your veins, infusing every aspect of your life with vibrant energy. Let it be an extension of your genuine excitement for the future you are creating. Words hold immense power in the manifestation process. Affirmations are the language of creation. Speak positive statements related to your manifestations with conviction and belief. Declare, I am worthy. I am deserving. I am manifesting my dreams with ease. Embrace these affirmations, internalize them, and let them become an integral part of your mindset. Finally, the ultimate reward of manifestation is the joy that fills your heart as your visions become tangible. Embrace the euphoria that comes with witnessing your dreams come to life. Breathe in that transformative feeling of joy and allow it to reaffirm your belief in the power of manifestation. Embrace the happiness that comes from consciously creating the life you desire. Here we conclude our video. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already done so. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Share your insights, manifestations, and any questions you may have. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep shining your light into the world. Remember, you have the power to create a future beyond your wildest dreams